on order. I had a question. We were talking about not fasting on Shabbos. What is considered the minimum amount of hours before it's considered fasting?
Even 1 minute after a midday. So you have to check. I always recommend this application Mizmanim. Right, Mizmanim. It's a free application. The most, in my opinion, the most reliable. I mean, maybe there are others, but that's we've been using for many years in different countries, and it works perfectly. And you check what is chatzos, what is a midday in your area. That's it. So like 1 minute after chatzos, you already fasted. So, and especially it depends where you live. So in the winter, as I said, it could be 12, could be like quarter to 12. So in some places they start 9:45 because they cannot get these lazy people to come. So that's the problem. That's the places to avoid. You understand? So, okay. What else?
So I had another question about that. So after Friday night Shabbos meal and stuff, and it's time to go to bed, in between those times, I mean, is that considered a fast?
No. Okay, okay. So the fast is considered from the morning, which is from daybreak until so it's not fast from early morning until the noon, the 6 hours according to halakhic hours, seasonal hours, Jewish hours, right? So it's not fast. So even if you don't eat or don't drink, but after that, it is considered a fast. So some people, as I know, they learn they get up earlier, right? On Shabbos night, and it like, I don't know, like 3, 4, 5 in the morning, and they continue learning. Of course, they can eat. There is no prohibition to eat, no prohibition to drink. There is no problem. Or if you did not eat, so there is no problem. So you must eat before the noon, right? So what before noon? Like 5 minutes before noon. If you do Kiddush, it's good.